guys, welcome back to our channel. This is our day 2 of our holiday. Maybe over there, baby, because I can reach, but that one I can't reach that. So ayan, we're just having our mini breakfast for today before we set off on our activities. So yeah, and it's really a nice sunny day, a bit warm. So yeah, hang on, just gonna put it there.
It never occurred to me when it said sausage roll that they could have meant £3.45 for a sausage roll.
For sausage roll. So ayan, kakain lang kami before we order ako ng cappuccinos. Whoops. And Cornish pasty. I was gonna order some like chips, but I remember that there's seagulls.
Yeah.
So yeah. Ito ang problema dito, guys. Isang kagat pa lang namin, meron na dyang seagull. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo. Yung dalawa, nag-aabang na dyan. So, yeah. So, guys, nandito na tayo sa may sea. And, as usual, kahit pala summer, is napaka, ng tubig, ang lamig. Pero hindi katulad ng sobrang lamig. Siguro mga 5 yelo na lang ngayon. Kasi pagka yung winter is parang 10 yelo. So yeah, ayan. Yung mga dog yung nag-i-enjoy. Yeah, they're really enjoying it. And ayan, low tide siya. Pagka high tide siya is hanggang, nakikita nyo hanggang doon yung tubig. Kung nakikita nyo, lubog lahat yan. And then low tide na ngayon, kaya sobrang layo na sa Pampang. Pampang ba tawag dyan? So yan. So ayan, si David is hinihintay niya yung hinihintay niya yung kanyang hinihintay ang the newlyweds. Hinihintay namin dito kasi magsuswimming yata silang dalawa ng kanyang Pudra Bells. And then sabi ko sisit na lang ako dito kasi hindi ko talaga kayang lamig. Sasakit ang tenga ko dito. Baka ako ay malagnatin. So yan, ganun lang ang gagawin ko. Hintayin ko lang sila. Magsa-sunbait na lang ako dito, char. So yeah, but it's really nice. Yung sand niya is kulay, ano bang tawag dito? Hindi naman red, parang browny red ang kulay niya. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Nandito kami sa medyo mabatong bit. And then ayan yung sea. And then mayroong mga oyster dito and limpets. Where's the oyster? Ah, this one.
Yeah.
Is it alive?
Yeah.
So yan, may mga oyster dito. And then mga suso. Diba kinakain natin to sa Pinas, diba? Yung mga ganitong suso, mga susong palipit ba ang tawag dito? Yung mga ganyang suso, kinakain ba natin yan sa Pinas? It's alright, it's still hot. Sa banda doon, guys, is madami mga tahong. There's lots of mussels on that side. But yeah, I wonder what's the kids are getting, baby. Like, cause they've got a bucket and then they're looking in the stones.
Well, you can get crabs if you get lucky.
Oh, crabs.
But also
little crabs, isn't it?
Yeah, you can get big ones, but
so
you need a crab line to get the crabs, really.
Oh. I think they've been scrape. Like that.
There's a lot more oysters here than there used to be. There used to be a few over in that corner.
And mussels, isn't it?
Yeah, there's loads of mussels over there.
But why though?
What?
Why are they getting more mussels? Oyster
I
now.
don't know. Maybe the conditions are changing.
Oh. So yeah. Ang dami. It's nice. And baby, the water is not too cold. So you'll enjoy it. Yeah. I've already have like a dip. My feet. I dip my feet.
Oh,
So,
you went
yeah.
in?
Yeah, a little bit. Went in there and it's not too cold. It's really nice. So yeah. So yan guys. We're just waiting for the newlyweds to arrive. Because they're gonna swim. They're gonna swim here.
Oh, possibly.
Possibly. Yeah, because baby, what is it? The water is not really cold, so you should have a go.
Yeah, but once I go in, I'll be in for
Is
hours.
it him? There, not on the black.
What?
On a black shirt. Is it him?
Oh, yeah.
So ayun guys, tapos na kaming mag-swimming and i-inflate, ano ba tawag doon? Tatanggalin na namin ang hangin nitong nitong, ano ba tawag dito? Salbabida. Dahil lumalamig na guys. Ano na dito, parang nasa 17 degree na ang weather, and it's already like I think mag-8 o'clock na, so yeah, baka hindi na kami bukas kasi uwi na rin kami bukas, mag-check out na kami bukas, maglalakad-lakad na lang kami mamaya sa maglalakad-lakad na lang kami mamaya sa kabilang pier, and then yan. And then umuwi na rin ang bagong kasal. Umuwi na din sila. And yeah. Are you okay, Dad? Yeah, it's really hard to get this. Ang tagal namin sa dagat. Kasi ang sarap. Ang warm ng weather. And yun, first time kong na-enjoy ang dagat dito. Kasi summer pa ngayon. Medyo busy nga lang, but it's alright with me, I think. No. Ang hirap kasi medyo malaki itong nabili naming ano ba tawag dito? Medyo malaki itong nabili naming salbabida, kaya mahirap tanggalan ng hangin. Ayan. Then babalik na kami sa hotel at para makapaligo. Then malapit lang yung hotel namin. Walking distance, mga 2 minutes walking distance. Kaya hindi mahirap. So yeah, I will be back later pag nasa hotel na kami at nakapaligo na. So yeah, nandito kami ngayon sa hotel. Dito kami ngayon sa restaurant and naghihintay ng food kasi gabi na. What time is it, baby? 9 o'clock. Yeah. It's 9 o'clock and yun. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami dun sa may sea by the sea. This is like the first time that I enjoy the sea because it's warm, and it's like when it's winter, it's like you've got 10 cubes of ice in the water. But now we've only got like 5, so I can manage. I can what do you call that? I can deal with it. I can deal with the coldness. And then we ended up buying our own tires. Like we called it salbabida in the Philippines.
Salbabida?
Salbabida. So yeah, we called it salbabida in the Philippines. Yeah, we bought that because because his dad have one, and we both tried it and we both like it, so we ended up getting one each. So yeah, we had really nice puddle with our things and everything. So yeah. So ayan guys, our food just arrived. So nag-order ako ng mixed grilled kineme. So ayan, meron peas, chicken breast, steak, 2 eggs, 2 sausage, onion rings, and chips. And then, what is it? Calamari? Salt and pepper calamari. And then we've got some chips with chicken also. It's really good. And then my husband got some lasagna with salad in it. Yummy. So yeah, let's eat guys. We're just gonna eat first. Hello guys, we're back again. Ayan, nandito na kami sa may aming hotel room. What are you doing?
I thought it was the video I was gonna...
What are you doing? Looking at the woman's bottoms there.
Oh, I thought it was the video.
What video?
The...
Look at him. Bloody watching naked woman.
Well, I'm looking at pangolins as well. Are you gonna have a go at me for that?
You? Okay, a minute. Ayan, o, diba? Water.
It's over there.
Get it.
It's over there.
Get it. So, ayan guys. Yan, nandito na kami. Paulit-ulit. Ulit-ulit yan. Yan, nandito na kami sa my hotel room. We just had our dinner. And that bloody rum is knocked me out. So, ayan. Kaya, and magre-ready na lang kami sa, magre-ready na lang kami. Ready for bed. Mag-ready na lang kami, and then kami ay matutulog na. And tomorrow will be another, another adventure. Yan. So, kaya samahan nyo kami. Right.
What? What?
Nothing.
I don't even know what you're saying. I can't understand you.
So yeah, my hand is getting numbed now. So I'm just gonna end this vlog, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again on my next vlog. Bye!